Our candidate number 17, we have Mr. Martin De Leon, all the way from Parañaque.
My name is Martin De Leon, 22 years old. I'm standing 5'8". I study marketing and I do combat sports in weightlifting.
Hello, candidate number 17. You do weightlifting, no? Weightlifting. Sa tingin mo ba, being physically fitted when joining pageantry, mahalaga mo yun para sa'yo rin? Edge mo ba ito?
I don't think it's important na physically fit. Ang important is yung mindset and yung kung paano ka mag-release ng voice for everyone, for your advocacy.
Tell something more about yourself, where you're from, any pageants, achievement, and your educational background.
I started educational background, so I just started my first year college, pero I'm 20 years old, and I took the gap year due to some financial problems, and during the gap year, I took an exam, so currently I'm a licensed financial advisor, and right now I took marketing so that I can polish my skills, and I could connect more towards people and market my products or the things I sell. And the things I do is like weightlifting and combat sports, taking them during my free time so I could take care of myself physically and mentally.
Where are you from?
I'm from Parañaque City.
Can you share with us what is your advocacy?
My advocacy is that I want to raise attention towards men's mental health because currently the number of suicide with men is 3 times larger compared to women.
And how do you plan to pursue that advocacy?
As of now, I have a social media platform, a good number of followers. I use my platform to let every man in this country or in the social media that you can take care of yourself and you don't have to stay silent with your problems. And that's how I do it. And right now, I joined Mr. Grand Philippines so that I could create a louder voice towards my advocacy.
Mr. Parañaque, candidate number 7. Is this your first pageant?
Yes, my first pageant.
And your objective goal in joining this pageant, what is your objective?
My objective is my advocacy. I don't really plan on winning on this pageant. All I want to do is raise the voice towards men's mental health.
Last question, on the lighter side, are you single or taken?
I'm taken.
Buti na lang taken din ako.
And
Taken for granted ka mo.
last question, if you're taken, which is important to you? Mahal mo o mamahalin ka?
That's a very, very good question. So, for the things I love, I think it's better to have someone na mahal ko. Kasi it's hard to love someone na love ka lang, kaya love mo. So, the real thing here is to how you give someone the love you want if you only love them because they love you.
Sorry, last question. Do you have a talent that you would like to share with us?
I can sing, but currently, na-trigger yung hyperthyroidism, so my voice is kind of hoarse. But I sing and I did it.
No worries. Yes, we understand. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Martin.
Thank you so much, Martin. Our candidate number 17, all the way from Paranaque.
Taken and
Yes, take care.
Thank you.
Mars, if you're going to be asked by our panel of judges, what would you choose? Mahal mo o mamahalin ka?
Mahal ko. Mahal ko.
ako daw.
Ay, siya yun. Okay ka naman. You're all good na. You may
Thank you,
leave the
Mark.
stage. Oh, if you want to answer my